What is verb? A word used to describe an action is called verb. Verbs are also called doing words and action words. Playing, swinging, sleeping, clapping, climbing, cycling, flying, jumping, reading, running, sleeping, walking.